Hi, my name is Chris Antes, personal chef for the Chef for You to Have, and I'm here in beautiful El Cajon, San Diego, California at a shared commercial kitchen. Today I'd like to show you how to make a burrito style casserole. Now what I like to do, if you were going to make a casserole, you would get some kind of a little square or rectangular dish, maybe roll up your burritos and kind of layer them in there, similar to how you would do an enchilada. I like to do mine a little different and do it kind of an open face thing. So what I do is I get a cake pan or a pie pan, and then I get some tortillas. I like to use these whole wheat ones, and then I layer them in there. I start out with putting the tortilla on the bottom, and then I've got some ground beef, and I'll also put a little bit of some rice in there. There'll be some beans as well. We'll give it a little bit of some onions and green peppers, and then I'll also add a little cheese. So depending on how deep of a cake pan I have, I'll just layer it and layer it, finishing it off on the top with some of the sauce and the ground beef. Throw it in the oven at 350 for between 15 and 20 minutes. And I've already had the ground beef done, so it's cooked and ready to go. You're basically just warming everything up and baking it so that it comes out looking delicious like this in your cake pan. And then to finish it off, to add a little style to it, I like to sprinkle on a little finely chopped up cabbage. Put some scallions on there too, and some tomato. And then I've got some cilantro here that I've pretty much left it whole, and I'm just going to kind of tear it apart and sprinkle it over the top like that. So there you go. How you can make a burrito casserole that everybody will really enjoy. And of course you can always add some sour cream on there if you'd like, or any kind of hot sauce.